Guys, if I die, it's because of Purvi. I've not done this in a while. नहीं कुछ होएगा नहीं मेरे हाथ में नहीं मरेगा ये
मेरा बैकअप कुछ हो I have to start now.
So we had the weights on Tarang and then we had Purvi on the weights.
I am going to teach you how I do a push-up and what I think while doing a push-up. It's a little different from the normal push-up video, so bear with me. The first thing I'm going to talk about is hand placement. You know, people are saying go wide, go this, go up, go down. The simplest way I can tell someone, and this is sort of a calisthenic push-up that I like to do, is how do you throw a ball? How do you throw a basketball? That movement, right? Your hands are slightly tilted. You throw a ball explosively. That's what I'm thinking when I'm doing the push-up. Except that I'm trying to push my body away in that angle. This is optimal, this is how you throw. So what I'm going to do is, I'm keeping my hands, see this sort of, these angles that they're in, and my chest is going right above it. Now I'm trying to do the strongest push-up I can do. So my core is going to be tight. I'm trying to use my body as one unit. So I'm here. Look at the angle of the hands. My shoulder blades are retracted, scapula is retracted. It's like I'm bench pressing. Go down, push. You want to basically push in that angle. What you want to keep in mind is your body is actually one unit while doing the push-up, right? So your core is actually tight. Your hips are like it's in one complete structure. Don't leave it loose. Don't slouch. Don't do any of this. Make it one unit. So this is how you are. You go here. Body's tight in one unit. Go ahead. That's your push-up. And explode on the way up. I mean, don't jerk it, but really try and push the ground away. Get explosive with these things. So try doing this, guys.
Disgusting.
To remove it. To remove it. Woo, 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 woo. Ha. Ha. Now for those of you who can't do normal push-ups, like Harshit, you can't do too many normal push-ups, knees on the ground, standing, you're here, all fours, body one unit, go in front, push, push, push. Try and keep your body stable. One unit, hip is slightly up, in one unit, push. All the beginners at home. Here, all fours, this is how I do it. Body is tight, core is tight. Core is one unit. One unit, I mean your core is not going like this or like this. From this angle to this is where I'm keeping my core tight. Go in front. I'm emphasizing on the sound, one because I'm sore. Secondly, that's what I'm thinking. Push. Push. Push away. Start doing your push-ups. Ha ha! So much fun.